question they're asking me. This is the craziest party that could ever be.
I'm not going to talk about electricity because I'm not going to jinx ourselves. No, I will not talk about electricity. It's not my specialty. I'm only in charge of the weather forecasting.
What about our dogs? They need their belly up in snow. Martini.
Open up the window, let some air into this room. I think I'm almost choking from the smell of stale perfume. And that cigarette you're
You got a
smoking,
problem with that?
I'm scaring me half to death. Open up the window, sucker, let me catch my breath. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't the way.
18 below. They're battening down the hatches. Moving the water running. Layering 3 to 4 layers of clothes. 3-dog night. Unfortunately, we only have like an eighth of a dog combined. Something in Alaska. They measured how cold it was by the number of dogs you had to sleep with. 4-legged dogs. All from Dick Doppler.
Does the Dick Doppler have the wind chill yet?
Mama told me not to come.
Do I have live?
The wind chill.
No. I'm strictly radar.